and welcome to the Monoprice Test Lab. My name is Emmanuel, and today we're going to unbox your new Monoprice Ultimate 2 3U printer. We'll also review the features of this printer, but aside from this video, you can also use the included quick start guide for reference. First, carefully cut open the box and remove the printer from the foam packaging. Here you will also find a box containing the printer accessories and a roll of filament. The accessories that are included with the printer are one 500-gram spool of PLA filament, one filament spool holder, one 8GB micro SD card and reader, one metal spatula, one USB cable, one switch cable, one motor cable, one set of Allen keys, one wrench, one roll of yellow tape, one stick of glue, and one power cord, each for the US, UK, and EU. Be sure to cut the zip ties that are securing all the moving parts in place. This can be located on the build surface extruder assembly and the Z-axis guide rails. Be sure to remove the rubber stoppers as well. Now that the zip ties have been removed, we can remove the X and Y axis braces using the included Allen key and wrench. Please be sure to read and review the included voltage warning label and ensure that your printer is set to your local voltage. Take the power supply from the accessory box we set aside earlier and plug in the printer. Now the printer is out of the box and plugged in, let's review some of the unit's features. The Ultimate 2 is fast and accurate with a print speed of up to 150 millimeters per second with a layer resolution as low as 10 microns. This printer also has a full auto leveling feature. Be sure to follow the instructions on the LCD screen. The unit has a heated and removable glass bed with a max temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. There is a filament sensor located near the rear button connection, so there will be no worry about the printer running out of filament in the middle of a print. On top of that, there is a door sensor that will allow you for better environment control in the enclosure of the printer. A row of LED lights illuminate the interior of the enclosure, making it easier to see your print in progress. Now that you know the features, insert the SD card into the printer and select the test file to see for yourself just how impressive the Ultimate 2 really is. Thanks for joining us in the Monoprice Test Lab. See you next time.